Ready to uncover hidden treasures. The SunPow metal detector for adults is a high-tech, durable, and super easy-to-use device with a large backlit LCD screen, 5 detection modes, and an adjustable 50 to 150 centimeters length. Its 10-inch waterproof coil works in all weather, making treasure hunting in beaches, forests, or parks a breeze. Plus, it's lightweight, quick to set up, and perfect for both newbies and pros. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a metal detector that's high-tech, super accurate and easy to use? The Kaiweets Professional Metal Detector for 2024 is packed with 6 detection modes, a bright LCD screen, and a waterproof coil you can use underwater, perfect for finding coins, jewelry, or even larger treasures. Its adjustable design fits all ages, making it a fantastic gift or hobby essential. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Looking for an exciting way to find hidden treasures? The Minelab X Terra Voyager metal detector set is perfect for both adults and kids. It's super easy to use, fully automatic, and offers pinpoint accuracy with waterproof coil and multiple search modes. Plus, it comes with headphones, a collapsible shovel, and a carrying case. Everything you need for your treasure hunt. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a fun and reliable way to find hidden treasures? The SunPow metal detector is a professional-grade device with a 10-inch waterproof coil, 9 metal identification options, and 5 detection modes. Its intuitive HD LCD screen, adjustable height, and advanced DSP chip make treasure hunting easy and exciting, whether at the beach, stream, or backyard. Plus, it comes with a digger shovel, headphones, carrying bag, batteries, and stylish packaging, perfect for gifts or your next adventure. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Ready to uncover hidden treasures? The Omo metal detector is your perfect adventure buddy, featuring 6 versatile modes to detect everything from gold to jewelry, with a high-accuracy DSP chip for deeper and more precise searches up to 10 inches. Its waterproof coil, adjustable length, and backlit LCD make treasure hunting easy and fun, whether on land or underwater. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Lolaran metal detector, the ultimate tool for treasure hunters of all ages. Rechargeable, lightweight, and waterproof, it offers 5 powerful modes, high accuracy, and a backlit LCD. With a foldable design and long-lasting battery, it's perfect for beach trips, outdoor adventures, or finding lost treasures. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the 2 Plus metal detector, perfect for adults and kids alike. With a 10-inch detection depth, waterproof search coil, and 5 versatile modes, it makes treasure hunting easy and fun. Its high-accuracy DSP chip and LCD display help you find precious metals quickly, whether on land or underwater. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment.